In my previous video, I talked about the manual lymphatic drainage, how to do it at home. Today, we are going to talk about doing a different way with a brush, a dry brush. The bristles need to be not too hard. It's very easy. You kill several birds with one stone when you do this. You improve your circulatory system, you get rid of all of your dead cells, and on top of that, and the most important part, you improve and boost your immune system. Doing these simple movements, very gentle, always towards the heart. Imagine that you're watching TV and you are bored and you want to improve your immune system through the lymphatic drainage. And you do it in the whole body. You can do it with your hands and you do it with your arms, with your legs. It feels great, activates your circulation, you get rid of all of the dead cells, and on top of that, you improve your immune system, and that makes your body much healthier.